Hello everyone, welcome to another Photopea tutorial. Today I will show you how to import custom fonts in Photopea. So this is very easy to do. All you have to do is go to the fonts, right, that you want to download. Let's say we want to download Roboto right here. We click on that, right? We download the font family, right? Now, once we download the font family, we actually can extract this to our desktop, right? So make sure to extract it to your desktop. And then let's exit out, go to Photopea, right? And you will need to go to this text tool right here. And as you can see, you will have here an option to basically choose the text, right? And here you can load the font. So you can click load font, and then here you can select a font that you want to load up. From my understanding, you can only load up one font, so you can actually go with a family, or you can, but I'm not sure if you can do that. So just comment down below if you can do that. Overall, this is basically how you can do it. Just go to load font, and that's pretty much it, right? That's pretty much how you can import custom fonts in Photopea with every single font that you download. It's pretty much easy. If you have any other questions, comment down below, or subscribe to this channel for more. We'll see you in the next video.